Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard eggless. To begin, gather your main ingredients. You'll need a plant-based milk, a thickening agent like cornstarch, and your choice of sweetener. Vanilla extract is also essential for that classic custard flavor. Make sure all your ingredients are measured out and ready to combine for a smooth process. This foundational step ensures a delicious result. The key to a thick, smooth eggless custard is the right thickening agent. For every 1 cup of liquid, use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot powder. Always mix your chosen thickener with a small amount of cold milk or water before adding it to the warm liquid. This crucial step prevents any lumps from forming, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. Stir continuously while cooking over medium heat. To achieve the best flavor, add vanilla extract after the custard has finished cooking and is off the heat. For a traditional yellow hue, a tiny pinch of turmeric can be added without affecting the taste. If you desire a richer custard, consider using full-fat coconut milk or a homemade cashew cream. For an extra silky texture, strain the finished custard through a fine mesh sieve. Beyond cornstarch, agar-agar flakes are another excellent plant-based thickener option. Always feel free to adjust the amount of sugar to match your personal sweetness preference. For the best consistency and flavor, chill your eggless custard for at least 2 hours before serving. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm custard as it cools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.